Now, more than 5 million households in South Africa don't have clean water. Every year, a budget is allocated to dams and pipelines to deliver water to 95% of the population. Yet 21 million people are left out. In the Department of Water's master plan, they acknowledge that there's a serious shortage of technical skills and consultants come at a huge cost. Let's talk to Hulisani Khorombi, who is the CEO of Blue Water Technologies, for more on this. A very good afternoon to you, Hulisani, and I hope you can hear me clearly. You've got a business, Blue Water Technologies, that looks at water treatment plants and giving drinking or quality water to communities across the country. What was the motivator here? And I guess what I'm asking is the current state of affairs when it comes to treatment plants in South Africa and, of course, the inability to provide clean drinking water to communities.
Good afternoon, Ropiwa, and thank you for having me on your show. So, I think the water quality issue it's a very burning issue across the globe, and an inadequate water supply to the communities. It's really concerning. So, as Blue Water Technologies, I myself was very touched about underserved communities who still don't have good quality water. That's how we started the business Blue Water Technologies, that actually supplies water treatment solutions to the underserved communities and also the mining area. So, yeah, I think that was the biggest motivator for us to get into the water industry.
What are some of the issues in these municipalities, Hulisani, would you say, that they are unable to treat the water? Are the maintenance of the plants too costly? What would you say are some of the big issues as someone in the industry that you have witnessed?
So I think technical skills is the biggest issue, that the fact that there's also aging infrastructure, which causes leaks. There's a lot of breakages. There's a lot of inefficiencies in terms of the water produced, because I think the people that are also operating the plants don't understand. They don't have the necessary technical skills to actually see the treatment through. So, and also the budget constraints, there's also a lot of budget constraints from the municipality side in terms of investing into proper maintenance and upgrading of these water treatment plants. So I think there's a lot of work that needs to be done from municipality to municipality in terms of assessing the current issue and what can be done to actually solve those issues.
What are some of the costs associated to treating water, Hulisani? Broad figures and the related costs there of ultimately making sure that communities have access to that clean drinking water?
So, yeah, I think in terms of cost, it will vary from plant to plant and the capacity that it needs to produce. Some of the plants were built many, many years ago, and they can't meet the current demand. As you know, there's a lot of population growth across South Africa. Some of the municipalities are struggling with the water supply as it is because of drought.
Hulisani, I'm going to interrupt you there and take you to John Steenhuisen, who's currently engaging the media.